Good morning, everyone. We're going to go ahead and get started. First, we'd like to thank everybody for taking the time to be here today. We have a very exciting virtual workshop. It is our third annual, so we're very excited to have everyone here today. My name is Claire Visconti, and I am the Outreach Program Coordinator for Imagine's Tech Transfer Partnership. I'll be explaining a little bit more about our Tech Transfer Partnership in just a moment. So today we have a very exciting agenda as well. And we're really going to be focusing today on building momentum against invasive annual grasses, specifically looking at the research, tools, and on-the-ground lessons that have been learned. So why Tech Transfer Partnership? This partnership was started a couple years ago, and it was both government and non-government folks coming together, addressing the problem of invasive annual grasses, and feeling that there was a need for alignment between landscape scale planning and on-the-ground management. And so with that, they came up with the solution of trying to equip land managers to be able to confidently plan and implement annual grass management strategies for invasive grass management. And the way we were doing this is by having workshops like this, as well as creating educational materials. And so we've been working on this project for the past 3 years. And we are very lucky to have a core team that are made up of these various partners. We have both university partners. We also have government agency folks as well as non-government agency folks. We are based with the University of Wyoming. We're based here in Sheridan, Wyoming. And so my co-partner with this, my boss, Brian Mueller, you'll see him on today. He will be helping answering questions and being in the background, answering some of your questions in the question and answer box. So we have a very cool core team that we've been working with for the past few years, which has been good. So today we have our level 1 workshop, which is what we're at today. And with that, we're really trying to build foundational knowledge, help share lessons learned as well. You can also go back. So this is our third annual, like I mentioned. You can go back and review our previous ones from 2024, excuse me, and as well as 2025. And you'll notice that they're kind of different. The first year was very much broad level information. As well as then last year, we looked more at how do you create a management plan, trying to get people to think about the different variables that may impact your management decisions. Then next, we have our level 2 field workshops as we scale up. This is really to provide a hands-on experience, both within the classroom as well as having field components. We've already had a couple in the past few years, and then we'll also share about one that we'll be having this upcoming summer that you can register to attend. And then lastly, we have our level 3 local working groups, which is really more a facilitated discussion where we focus on a specific location with a specific group, and we help to facilitate a discussion about maybe where they want to prioritize their areas. And so we'll hear a little bit more about those throughout later on in the day. So taking a quick glance at our agenda for the day, we're going through introductions currently right now. Then we'll be moving into our management sections. We're going to be having some really great speakers about hearing about what is some of the current research, what are some of the findings, some of the spatial tools that might be that are now available for you, as well as hearing about specifically the impacts that mule deer face with invasive annual grasses, which we're excited about. Then we'll move into our land management section where we'll be hearing from people who had groups participate in the level 3 workshops. And we're going to hear about some of how they created strategic plans, some of the successes they had, as well as some of the challenges that they have faced since having the workshops. Then we'll move on to hearing about where tech transfer, our partnership has gone, and then where we'll be moving towards. And then lastly, I'll talk about the upcoming events that we will be having in the summer for Imagine that you guys can register to hopefully attend.